know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking about doing this site now. It's called Blogging with the Fat Man from the Fat Man's Perspective. You know what I'm saying? And of course you all see, I got a couple of my customers in here. I'm gonna erase this before we go. But I just wanted them to see what time it is, man. You know, I don't know what we talk about, whatever. You know what I'm saying? We can put it in YouTube and see what my idea was. Is that the Fat Man go to different places, but the Blogging for the Fat Man call it Cabbie Talk. But the difference is, it's not just Cabbie Talk in Montgomery County. It's like you're in cab all over the fucking world, okay? And you're just cabbie talking shit. You got like Wild Bras, China, Korea, Philippines, Latin America. Yo hablo español también, okay? No problema. Okay, so you got... Yeah, so what it is that instead of you having a camera in here, you can boom, you can record it right in here. Everybody can be doing their fucking thing and shit. You got that in here. Bam, after you do it, I got a Picasso on here. You know what Picasso is from Google? Yeah. Alright, I can go from Picasso straight into fucking YouTube, upload the fucking video, it's been uploaded. So you call it Blogging with the Fat Man from the Fat Man's Perspective. The Fat Man talks about different things, not like that fucking horse show where in New York, what's it called, Professors in a Taxi Cab, where you only get pimps, hookers, and shit, and that's all you got. But the thing is that we just be all over, and we just talking to real people, talking real shit, you know what I'm saying? I be, you know, you're in different places and shit, and then they're really talking, you're having fun, you know, all that shit, man, and then you upload that shit right into YouTube. Then you'll tell them where the Fat Man's gonna be next fucking week. Next week, join us next week, where the Fat Man's gonna be in Costa Rica, San Jose. As you know, prostitution is legal in San Jose. So the thing is, bam, you know what I'm saying? You know? What we do, dog. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then you blog with the Fat Man, for the Fat Man's perspective the whole time. You know what I'm saying? Put a light in the video, too much light. You know what I'm saying? After it's all over done with, you can view the video, you got your mobile shit all done, but bam, you can upload it right from here, right in from here, into YouTube. Parate. Alright, so bam, after it's done,